Hi everyone, it's Danielle here from Whale Sunshine Diamonds, and today I'm going to do a video and achieve two goals. Number one, I'm going to show you the promotion for this month in April 2021, and number two, I'm going to draw the winners of my essential oil storage case for last month. So before I get started, I'd love you to hit subscribe on the video or like this video, and let's get it shared and let's get people loving young living and having a healthy lifestyle. So the first thing I wanted to do was show you the promo for this month. So I've got two products that I'm giving away. Number one is this beautiful essential oil case. It's actually got the Young Living Seed to Seal logo and the beautiful perfume bottle where you can put some water and some vegetable glycerin in there with a couple of drops of essential oil, and then you can actually put it onto your wrist and squeeze it onto your wrist, and you have a beautiful perfume bottle just with your particular blend of oils that you love. So I'll be giving away both of these. To enter the draw to win, you have to do a 100 PV order in April 2021, and anyone in the Whale Sunshine Diamonds team goes in the draw to win as long as you're an Australian or New Zealand resident. And number two, I'm going to draw the winners. So we had two new people who enrolled in the Whale Sunshine Diamonds team, and I'm going to draw them. Both their names are in here. I'll just show you. There's two names. So there's the two names. So let's have a go and swirl it around. And the winner of the essential oil case for new people is this one, which is Mark M. Do it this way. Mark M, you are the winner of the essential oil case. So congratulations. And then I'm going to do the winner for existing members. So here are the names, as you can see, of all the people who entered the competition. I'm just going to call out the two names I had in my bowl and the other name. There we go. And then I'm going to put in the entries for this month who are already in the Whale Sunshine Diamonds team. These people all did 100 PV and went in the draw to win the essential oil case. So here we go. This one is the winner. Let's see, this one here, I think. Judith R. Oh, can you see it? Sometimes I put it up here. Judith R. You are the winner of the essential oil case. So I'll get that out to you, and I hope you all have a wonderful time. Remember, if you want to go in the draw for this month in April 2021, do a 100 PV order in the Whale Sunshine Diamonds team. You're in the draw to win. Have a great one. Bye.